Hey out there, I was sent this item from somebody on Amazon and they wanted me to show it on my channel. By doing so, I received this at no cost. And Tesslynn really likes to have night lights, and she has one of these Starry projector lights, but this one looked really cool, so I said, okay, I'll give it a shot. So let's see what it involves. Okay, it says it's Starry Music Party Sound Brightness and TF, which is an SD card. So it does hold, you can play your own music apparently. It does have a Bluetooth speaker, I know that much. So here's the instructions. I'm not sure how much of it I'm gonna have to actually look at to figure it out, even though it appears that only the first 5 pages are in English. The rest are multiple different languages. So, alright, this is smaller than I thought it would be. And it doesn't have a dome like the other ones do. So this is what it looks like. And it's got lots of different buttons. Not sure if it has a digital display. But this is where you put the micro SD card goes in right there. And here you can plug in your power. It's a USB power cord, which I don't always have a USB plug available, but I do have blocks, so it can still be plugged into a power outlet. Let's see. Does not have a spot for batteries that I can see, so you would need to plug it in to the wall, unless maybe there is something that says that it does take batteries as a backup. Let's just look real quick. Oh, it's just the first 4 pages. 5 is actually in a different language. But power is, yeah, you have to plug it in. It does not have a battery option, but it does also have a remote control, which takes batteries. And it does have the protector thing on there to just pop it out. So now it's connecting. I don't have it plugged in, so let's plug it in and check it out. I'm interested to see what this looks like. And here, I'll unplug my mouse from my computer. And let's plug this in. Weird down. I'm putting it in upside down, of course. All right, pretty long cord. It's not super short, which is good because that's my problem in the bedroom. Always trying to find a plug-in that's close enough. All right, so we've got it plugged in here. I'm going to tilt it so that it's not going to shine right into the camera. I see the red light. Red light comes on next to the play button. Let's see, play mode. The sound. Okay. Oh.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so it's ready to pair. So I don't know if that was, didn't know if that was going to be music it was going to be playing. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's changing colors as I speak. That's kind of neat. So there is an option here for sound, and then, let's see, this one is just solid. And then I guess you change the mode. Okay, let's see if you can kind of see it on the desktop there. And there's red, kind of hard to see. Let me turn my lights down so we can see this a little better. There we go. All right, so now you can see, wow, look at that nice spiral looking thing. Oh, I think I just turned it off. No, I turned to Starry Mode. Okay, so that's one mode. Oh, wow, that is cool. Look at all those stars. Then the next one takes the red thing out of the middle. And the third one just puts the red thing back without the green. All right, and then there's just like fast forward and there we go. Fast forward and a rewind button. I guess that's all to access the SD card. I'm sure there's other modes, but it did have, like I said, Bluetooth. You could hear that it was ready to pair, but there is an off switch. There's off. There's auto, which is what it was just on, and then sound is where it changes every time someone speaks or plays music. So I'm guessing you could have it set on sound as you are playing your music from your SD card. And so that would be what the party feature is. That's pretty cool because it just alternates between the different lights, the different colors, and that is so cool. I love that purple one. Okay, let's go to the purple one. There it is. What I want to know is once you get to put it on auto, and here's the sound button. Oh wait, no, that's not the sound button. Oh, that's the LED mode. Okay, so that's where we can change what the, oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. And there's a white. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. And a purple. Oh my gosh, those are really cool. There's a lot of them. And look how it's moving around like little globules. Oh, that is so cool. And then off. So then there's the Starry Mode. Oh, and then you can click the button for the LED mode and it'll change the color. And then we change that. So you just play around with them until you get the right effect that you want. Wow. And then there's a button here for play mode. But I guess because I don't have anything on the TF card and I'm not connected to, I don't have it connected to my Bluetooth to my phone or anything, but I guess I could put my music on from my phone, play that at night, or whatever it is that we want, whenever it is we want to listen to it. But that would mainly be when it is we'd listen to it. But there's a minus and a plus for going backwards and whatnot. But this remote has a lot more buttons. See, there's the motor speed. Let's see. Oh, that's a flash mode. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my gosh. Ah! There, I put it back on auto mode. Motor speed, that's what I wanted to put. Okay, so you can see on the motor speed, you can see the globules are moving faster. I guess that might be as fast as it goes. Oh, and you can get it brighter. And there we go, dimmer. It's a dimming. And then brighter. So there's a lot of different features in this thing. There's a mute button. You can turn laser mode on. Okay, so those are considered lasers. Okay, that's what I had the first time that I was showing. And then play mode. Yeah, which I don't have anything in here for the play mode. But laser mode, that just changes the different, what comes out. But those little globule things, those come out when you, oh, and there's even a sleep mode. Yeah, I pushed auto mode and it changed it to that. And then sleep mode gives you a certain amount of time before it'll go off. I don't know what the numbers are, but I'm sure the instructions will explain it. So this is super nice. Off button. And I don't know what that just happened. But yeah, I am excited to get this set up in the bedroom and to start using it. Hopefully, maybe it'll help Tesslynn get to sleep because she is having some major issues, which is causing me to have major issues with getting some sleep. So, there it is, guys. I'll link this down below. It's called Starry Projector. I'm not quite sure how much it cost, but just click the link down below. So, hit that like button if you liked it. Let me know what you think about these things if you've ever used them before. Does yours have a Bluetooth? Because this is our first one with a Bluetooth, so this will be interesting to check it out to see how well that works for Tesslynn and getting some sleep. So thanks for watching, guys. Have fun playing with your new Starry Projector if this is what you came here for. If not, go check it out. If not, I'll see you guys in my next video either way. So take care, everyone. Bye.